We are on page 353. Page 353, question 1. Question 1, part A. Yesterday we solved it, right? We said the equation is 2h or 15 plus 2h more than or, sorry, less than or equal 35, right? In part B, they want us to solve it. So I ask you to solve it. In part B, if you solve it, h will be less than or equal 10. Right? This is the solution. Check and divide. So how many hours, the maximum hours she can work? Here 10 hours. So 10 hours. Question 2 also, we did the inequality for it in part B. The inequality was x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 less than or more than 60. You were online yesterday, right? You said small boy, the middle boy, the big boy, right? So now how we solve this? We add the x's and the numbers together. So here x plus x plus x, 3x plus 1 plus 2, 3 also, 3 more than 60. So 3x more than 57, right? Divide by 3 both sides. X will be more than what? 19. This is part B. In part C, the question said, how old can the oldest brother be? Huh? هذا x is the smallest, remember? We said let x be the youngest boy, right? But this for x, for the small boy. The oldest boy will be after 2 years. Part C, the oldest boy, brother or boy, whatever, not 21, more than 21. Got it? Because the youngest boy more than 19. صح? The youngest more than 19. The oldest is older than the youngest by how many years? 2 years. So if the youngest more than 19, the oldest will be more than 21, not equal, because x not equal here. Got it? Question 3, we skipped it, right? Question 4. What? The oldest more than 21 years. الصغير 19. الكبير أكبر منه بسنتين, right? طيب. Question 3, we skipped it. Question 1. 4. Are you writing this? Yeah. Question 4. No. We did 1, 2. Now question 4, right? But in question 4, let's read the question together. Read. 49 cents for each stamp. Okay, continue. It will cost $7.65 to mail the whole package. Okay, continue. معها كم هي؟ $10. Okay, so we have number of stamps. Do we know how many stamps? No, so let x be the number of the stamps. Let x be the number of stamps. You know the stamps. Put in the letters, right? لا يا مستر، هذا السؤال ما بينسأل. يلا question 4. Let x be the number of stamps. Okay, the number of stamps here. Okay. طيب. Each one stamp costs 49 cents. But we are talking with dollars here. We cannot use cent and dollar at the same equality or equation. So we need to make the units equal. Cents and dollars, like halala and riyal. When I say 49 halala, how much in riyal? 0.49. Because 49 halala out of 100 halala. مش ال 1 riyal 100 halala. 49 out of come 100, so 0.49. Same idea of cents and dollars. $1, how many cents? 100 cents. Yes. So if each stamp, costs 49 cents, $0.49, right? How many the cost, or how much the cost will be for X stamp? Multiply X, right? So here 0.49. Why I turn it to dollars? To make the units equal. X plus what? The cost of the package, right? The cost of the package, how much? 7.65. Less than or more than? She has only $10. She has only $10, so less than or equal what? 10. This is the inequality for part A. Done? فاهم? Yeah. Now let's solve it. B. Solve the inequality. What is the maximum number of stamps Kishila can purchase to mail letters? Okay. So X, if you solve it in part B, طبعا shift divide, you know that. X would be less than or equal 4.7959. 4.7959. The question asked me also, after you solve the inequality, this is the solution. X number of what? Stamps. Can I buy 4.5 stamps? No. So round it to the least or to oldest, so the biggest. The least. يعني 4.7, can you buy 5? 4.7, it's between 4 and between. ركز الآن. Focus. She has how much? With $10, she can buy this. Can she buy 5 with $10? طب assume x5. Use calculator. Multiply this number by 5 and add to this number. The answer here will be more than 10. The answer will be what? More than 10. But she has only what? 10. So 4.7, if you round it, you will say 5. But she cannot buy 5, right? You got it? It is more than 10. You cannot buy 5. So here, what she can buy, the maximum number she can buy, 4 stamps. She can buy 4 stamps. عدل. Where? This number, it will be 9 repeated. But if you put 5, more than 10, ما 10 only. She has only $10, okay? So that's why we choose the 4, not the 5 around, right? Good. Yes. What? This? Shift and divide. Solve the inequality. Solve the inequality. 10 minus 7.65, then divide by the coefficient, right? This is question 4 done. Question 5. Let's do question 5 together. أحسن. Question 5. A charity is hosting a benefit dinner. You know this. Good. They are asking $100 per table plus يعني كل table قديش عليها؟ تدفع $100 plus $40 per. So we have 100, we already paid, and $40 per person. Okay. So 100 per table and 40 per person. طيب اهدى. Is purchasing tickets for his friends and does not want to spend more than $250. So this man wants to invite his friends on one table. On what? One table. So in one table, he will pay how much? $100. Do we know how many friends in the table? They can be 4, they can be 5, they can be 3, right? So let X be the number of the friends of this man, right? Yeah. Let X be the number of friends will be invited for the dinner, right? So let's prepare the inequality now. He will pay for the table. Then each person will cost how much? 40. So X person, so 40X. He has no more than he does not want to spend more than 250. يعني either 250 or less. هو ما بده أكثر من 250. So less than or equal what? This is the inequality. Right? Check, divide, do the steps. هذا part A. Part B, X should be less than or equal 3.75. Is this logical answer? No. You cannot invite the 3.75 friends. يعني 3 friends وواحد لهون. صح؟ 3 quarters. So here what we can say, he can invite 3. Can he invite 4? Is 4 logical answer? In math, yes, 4, يعني number of people can be 4, right? But 4 here cannot. He will be beyond. He will exceed the 250. So what we will choose? 3 friends. 3 friends. Okay, or 3 people, or 3 person, whatever. Okay. This is questions 1, 2, 4, and 5. Done. Done. Next, 16 and 17. Yes. Question 16. Question 16, guys. Question 16, we have negative 3 multiplied by 7n plus 3 less than 6n. We did this idea. We said we need to get rid of the parentheses, right? So this reduce, or you can divide the negative 3, but it's okay. This reduce negative 3 by 7n, negative 21n, negative 9 less than 6n. Then we shift, right? We put the n's together and the numbers together on the other side. So negative 21n minus 6n less than 9 positives, right? Now combine the like terms, negative 27n less than 9. اللي طالع معاه نيجاتيف 3 يوقف بسرعة، يوقف. اللي طلع معاه نيجاتيف 3 يوقف عشان أعطيه جائزة. أيوه. divide the negative 27. Divide the negative 27. N will be, we switch now, 1 over negative 1 over 3. Okay? Not 3, not negative 3, negative 1 over 3. Or 1 over negative 3. It's the same. Done? Don't forget to switch the inequality. This is the question 16. No, no. Question 17. اقعد يا ابني. 21 more than or equal 3 multiply a minus 7 plus 9. I will search about what you wrote, guys, as the end of the field. I promise you. Get rid of the parentheses. Yeah. 21 more than or equal 3a minus 21 plus 9. 21 plus 21 minus 9 more than or equal 3a, right? I get the numbers here. 21 and 42 minus 9, 33 more than or equal 3a, dividing 3 both sides. So a will be less than or equal what? You can write it like this. A less than or equal 11. This is the same. We didn't switch the inequality because the coefficient is positive. Yes, semester it will be 11. Huh? You shift the variable here and the numbers there. Right, Nash. Shift the variable there. It will be negative 3a more than or equal negative 21 plus 9 negative 21, right? So negative 3a more than or equal negative 42 plus 9 negative 33, right? Divide the negative 3 both sides. A will be less than or equal positive 11. صح? You switch here the inequality. Here you switch the inequality. Here I didn't switch because I kept the coefficient positive. But when you shift it, it turns to negative. So you need to switch at the end. Okay. Then we did 16, 17, then 22. In the 22, we have this question 2 with x minus 4, sorry, more than, or sorry, less than or equal 2 plus 3 x minus 6, right? Distribute here and there. So it will be 2x minus a less than or equal 2 plus 3x minus 18. Put the x's here, 2x minus 3x less than or equal 2 minus 18 plus 8. Minus 1x less than or equal 10 minus negative 10. Divide the negative 1, divide the negative 1, x will be more than or equal positive 10. I switch. Right? Yes. Negative x. Negative x. Yeah, but we'll divide the negative 1. I will turn it to positive. And you have negative x less than or equal negative 10, right? So what you will do now? Divide both sides by negative 1. This one is okay. Just right. Okay? Yes.
Mr. How you got negative 10?
Yes.
2 plus 8 10. نيجاتيف 8 يا زلمه. هم حكوا لي يا مستر مش انا. انا ماليش دخل. انا دائما صح. هم اللي حكوا لي انا ماليش دخل. 2 plus 10 2 plus 8 18 نيجاتيف 18 نيجاتيف 8. لا
Mr. The answer equal 8, yes?
فاضي انا هلا قاعد بشتغل. مش انت حكيت لي نيجاتيف 10 صح؟ مين حكى لي نيجاتيف 10؟ مش معقول مني انا بغلطك. عارفين. Yeah. Question what? 23. Focus with the 23 now, please. We have 2x minus 4 over 6 more than or equal negative 5x plus 2. Get rid of 6. Multiply 6 on both sides. Or over 1 with the product, but avoid this idea. Get rid of 6. So I'll multiply both sides by more than or equal negative 5x plus 2. I will multiply this by 6 and this also by, to get rid of this thing, right? Then simplify. This will be 2x minus 4 more than or equal negative 30x plus 12, right? X is together, numbers together. 2x plus 30x more than or equal 12 plus 4, right? 32x more than or equal 16. Dividing 32 both sides, x will be more than or equal half. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I didn't say it's wrong. I said this one is easier. أسهل. اسكت يا مستر. انقل مش عم تنقل. غير الصوت.
Mr.
مش فضيلك والله مش فضيلك. Yes يا ابني. Talk.
Can you go back to the previous page?
Mister, this video will be downloaded after a while. I need to finish, okay?
Okay.
Unless you didn't understand it.
I didn't understand why we flipped the signs.
Where? Which question?
Question 22.
Because we divide on negative.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Mr.
Divide by negative, we switch the equality sign, right?
Okay, thank you,
After
Mr.
23, what we have? 26. In 26, we have 2 with negative 3n minus 5 more than or equal negative 28. We compare the 2, negative 6n, negative 10 more than or equal negative 28. Negative 6n more than or equal negative 28 plus 10. Negative 6n more than or equal negative 18. Divide negative 6 both sides. M will be less than or equal or opposite. Right?
Yes, Mr.
Question 27. Question 27. We have next negative 6w negative 6 multiply w plus 1 more than or equal to, with I wrote less than w plus 5. You know, this is the test to see which one of you is not focusing. Test, have a كله test. Yeah. This reduce negative 6w negative 6 less than 2w plus 10, right? Negative 6w minus 2w less than 10 plus 6. Negative 8w less than 16. Divide negative 8 both sides. W less than, more than, negative 3.
Mister, can you go back for a second?
Done? This is question 27. Else? خلصت
I
الموضوع؟ طيب.
I just
Mister, can you go back for a second?
No, I cannot. This is the homework, guys. I will just pause